Hello, good afternoon. This is another repair of stucco that we are doing it today. So this is how it looks like after that is done. What we do to do the repairs, we have to remove all the stucco that is damaged below the wall, and we have to do the repair. So it's just to show a little bit more about another project. We just recorded to add it to our channel in case if anybody needs a work done of a stucco repair. Don't hesitate to give us a call or send us a message or send us a text or email. You can look at online at www.serratohomeremodeling.com. You can search for our company and also our phone number as well. All the details they are online. If you need any service, painting, repair, power washing, and a lot more, flooring repair or new flooring installation, don't hesitate to give us a call. It is the springtime. It is time to renew the homes. We do stucco ceiling as well, stucco painting, and we do a lot more. Bathroom remodeling as well. Give us a call if you are interested or you are searching for a service. We do a stone as well. So don't hesitate to contact us if you are looking for remodeling your home or repair any walls or drywall as well. We do it all. This is how we sealing the stucco crack on the wall. We're sealing with the properly caulking for stucco only, just to seal in the crack. That way it prevents the wall to keep it cracking down. So we're just doing a short video in case if anybody are looking for repairs. Don't please give us a call, share our video with other, subscribe if you haven't been subscribing, and if you have any questions or comment, don't hesitate to contact us. Our number is 614-616-0134 for any repairs or any service that you are looking for. Thank you for watching our videos and sharing with others. Give me a like if you like it. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.